In this video, we're going to go over the Legend Item Editor. So when you bring up the Legend Item Editor from the Legend Editor, you will be able to set specific properties of each legend item. So to start with, you can define what your symbol will be for each legend item here. You can do that by clicking the Configure button, which will bring up the Style Builder and allow you to virtually build any type of symbol you want. So that controls this left-hand portion of the legend item here. In this case, it's a flag of the United States. The next property you have for the symbol is to figure out what sort of placement you want. So you can justify the image left, or you can also justify the image right. By default, it's set to left as well. Next, if you want to have a background separate for your image, you can configure this, and it'll also bring up the Style Builder where you can configure an area style to set a certain background on there to give it maybe a little contrast or to make it stand out more. Finally, in the symbol area, you have where you can set the padding to control how much padding you have around the symbol. And we have that for the top, right, bottom, and left. The next section is the label section, and that's this section here to the right for the legend item. And you can go ahead and set the text, the font name, size, color, style, and you can also configure the background to be different for just the text portion of the legend item if you'd like as well. And that'll bring up the Style Builder accordingly to set that area background for your mask or the background of that text. And you also have padding for your text as well, the top, right, left, and bottom. The final thing is the item bounding box, and that encompasses the entire legend item. And you can configure a background for that if you'd like. So just like you could configure the background for the individual elements of the legend item, you can also do it for the entire bounding box. And also you have padding for the entire item bounding box as well. So if you want to have separation between other legend items in your legend list. I hope this video has been helpful and you have a better understanding of the Legend Item Editor. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them on our discussion forums online. Thank you.